fact, I'm going to switch on even sooner. Take a look at that sunrise. The sun hasn't even come up yet. Donkey. So it's plenty bright to drive, but sun not up. It's actually a bit odd. I was saying it's dark, but on the equator the sun rises at 6 and sets at 6. So I'm going north, so I'd expect it to start getting lighter earlier. And sure, maybe darker later. So, some geologist, maybe Robin, you can explain the anomaly, which Christopher is a word you can find in the dictionary. It's not the same as Monopoly. That's that other game you like. So I'm not, thank the Lord, not nearly as antsy as I was yesterday. Also interesting because it was a one night stop. I didn't have a rest day. I think maybe it was the distance. Yesterday I knew I had quite a bit of distance, and the Tracks for Africa guide had said lots of potholes and stuff, so I wasn't quite sure what the road would be like. This morning I was up at 5:15. I was ready to go almost before 6, quite comfortably. Probably also because I know this is an easy stretch, 250 k's. I'm not expecting any trouble with the road.